Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a scene where three friends are passionately playing basketball, a memory drawing of an exhilarating and enjoyable basketball game. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4-A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, what art form was traditionally done by women on the walls of their homes, which often depicted religious motifs, nature and scenes from daily life? Hint, it's from Bihar. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture the excitement and joy of playing basketball memory drawing together. We will draw the human body using simple shapes. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. One of our players is trying to score the point, so make sure to draw him a little higher with arms stretched out in control of the ball. Fix the position of the basket and the ball accordingly. While the other player is trying to defend and is reaching for the ball, start with the head, torso and then add the limbs with arms stretching out. To make the scene more lively, let's add one more player who is running towards the ball. After we are done with the basic sketch of the characters and the props, let's go ahead and add details like hair and clothes of the characters. We will move on to drawing the background and the sky. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. As the scene is set in a basketball court, I will draw trees and bushes in the background along with basketball court. While drawing background, always remember to keep the perspective in check to maintain balance in the sketch. Remember to sketch the expression of the players happy and vibrant. We are finally at the fun stage, coloring. With the help of shading, we will add depth and realism to the artwork. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our basketball scene. As you shade, envision the sunlight casting its glow on trees and bushes along with our joyful players. Blend the colors and add scene to make it more lively. And there we have it, an athletic game of basketball in our memory. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Madhubni painting, also known as Mithali art, was originated in the Mithali region of Bihar, Bharat. Traditionally, it was done by women on the walls of their homes, which often depicted religious motifs, nature and scenes from daily life. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC YouTube channel.